Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. My name is Kassandra. This is Cleo. We're going to do a 10-minute morning yoga practice to help wake you up. So stretching your body entirely. You don't need any props for this practice, and we'll start in a wide-legged child's pose. So just bring your big toes together, your knees apart. Let your hips rest towards your heels before you fold all the way down. So try to relax your shoulders, your chest, your neck. And really sending your breath down into your belly so that your abdomen expands on the inhale and softens on the exhale. Take 2 more full belly breaths here. And the next time you inhale, you can lift up, tabletop pose onto hands and knees. Bring your hands under your shoulders, knees under your hips, cat and cow. As you inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze, curl tailbone up. And on your exhale, round your spine, chin to chest, and keep going here. You can even make this more of a circular cat and cow if you'd like. We're really just trying to get rid of any aches and pains you might have. Getting some mobility first thing in the morning. Great way to get a boost of energy. One more cat and cow here. Inhale. And exhale. Coming back to neutral, thread the needle. Reach your right arm up to the sky. And then thread the arm underneath shoulder and ear coming down to the floor. Push into your left hand. Left hand presses back into the mat. Inhale. Reach and re-extend the right arm up. See if you can free it up a little before bringing your right palm back down. Second side. Inhale. Left arm opens up. Exhale. Thread it through. Shoulder and ear coming down to the mat. Pushing into your right hand this time. Feel the expansion through your upper back in between your shoulder blades. And then press into your right hand to lift back up. Re-extend the left arm up to the sky. Tabletop pose. Let's find our downward facing dog. Walk your palms a couple inches past your shoulders before lifting your hips all the way up and back. So first thing in the morning, start by bending one knee, pushing into your other heel, and just alternating this. Go as slow or as fast as feels good to you. See if you can reach your chest towards your thighs, drawing your lower belly in towards your lower back. And just adding a little bit of strength here. Stay in your down dog, and as you inhale, come all the way forward into your plank pose. Keep the back of your head lifted, and we're just going to tap the knees to the floor for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. From plank, lower all the way to your belly. Keep your elbows in. Point your toes back. 3 little baby cobras as you inhale. Chin, chest, palms lift off the mat. Exhale to lower down. Twice more. Inhale, squeeze and lift. Exhale to lower down. Last one. Inhale. And exhale. Coming back, downward facing dog. Press and lift. From this down dog, let's reach our right leg up towards the sky. Bend your right knee, open up your hip, squeezing into the glutes, big stretch. And then we'll step the right foot forward in between your palms to the top of the mat, runner's lunge. So you can come up onto your fingertips and maybe rock a little bit back and forth. And just stretching to the back heel, letting your hips be heavy. And now grounding that left hand down to the floor, reach your right arm up to the sky, easy twist. Stacking one shoulder over the other. And then from this twist, let's find our pigeon pose. Bring your right hand down, and you can bring your right knee behind your wrist. Stretch that left leg back, square off the pelvis. Maybe you choose to stay up here, or you can lower down onto the floor. 5 breaths here. Inviting your right hip to relax and open up a little more. So totally normal for your flexibility and mobility to be a little bit limited first thing in the morning. And walk your hands back in. Let's find downward dog. If you'd like to take a vinyasa, you're welcome to add it on. So either staying in down dog or you inhale forward to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale to your upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Second side, left leg rises. Bend your left knee, open up your hips, squeeze. Keep pressing and reaching through your arms. And let's step the left foot forward in between our hands for your runner's lunge, so up onto your fingertips. Maybe rocking a little bit back and forth. We're setting up from here into our easy twist. Right hand stays down to the floor. Stretch your left arm up. Opening wide. Keep pushing into that big left toe so you're not rolling to the outer edge of your foot. And then into your pigeon pose. So left hand comes down. Bring that left knee somewhere behind your wrist. Stretch your right leg back. Square off your hips so you're not folding on one side more than the other. And then you can go and ease into the pose. And remember, you can always stay up a little bit higher if that's more comfortable to you. Relax your chest. And let's start to lift back up. So last time, downward facing dog, maybe adding a vinyasa if that's appropriate for you this morning. Inhaling plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. And from this down dog, drop your knees to the floor. Stretch your legs out in front of you and lower all the way down onto your back. And we're going to draw the knees in towards the belly. Widen your knees so they're going more towards the shoulders and armpits. And maybe this is enough, or you can take happy baby pose, catching a hold of the feet with your palms, elbows to the insides of the legs to push the knees open a little wider. And you can rock a little side to side. Pressing your hips down to the floor. And release soles of the feet together to touch, knees apart, reclined butterfly pose. Especially in the morning, I like to do this with the arms extending up overhead. Just 5 breaths here. Maybe setting an intention for your day ahead. And let's straighten the legs, straighten your arms, big expansion from fingers to toes. Roll over onto one side, come up to take a seat. Close your eyes once you're there. Hands can join together at the front of your heart. And you might think of someone in your life who you'd like to dedicate this practice to. Sending all of your love, all of your best wishes to whoever needs it, keeping them close into your heart. And we'll close this practice with a chant of Om one time. We inhale to chant. Big breath in. Om. Namaste. Thank you so much, yogis, for doing this 10-minute morning yoga practice. I hope you enjoyed it. I would love for you to practice every single morning with me. I have plenty of these morning yoga classes. The playlist is linked down below. You can also find it in my mobile app. Thank you so much, and hopefully I will practice again with you tomorrow morning. Namaste.